Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Instagram chat not showing up and it was loading. For that, we need to go to Instagram account, click on your profile, go go to horizontal three horizontal lines and click on settings and privacy and scroll it down, and here you will see messages and story replies. Click on that and we need to go to messages control. Here you have messages requests and don't receive messages request. I was selecting on messages request and I was coming back, and here have another also request. I was clicking on the messages request also, and here you need to click on wait, here we click on who can message you, and here we need to click on report a problem. Need to click on here report Instagram, report to Instagram. On Instagram we need to click on community guidelines. After completing that, it is no, it was not helping to me. I was clicking on other, I was clicking on option of my Instagram messages are not like that. I was clicking on my Instagram messages not showing. We need to submit. So it was submitted, and we have another option also. Come back, and you need to come back to all and click a long press on it and go to app info and go to we need to go to permissions and notifications. Click on notifications and all, and here you will directly see the messages. You need to on all things, and we need to click on additional settings also. Here we need to click on messages. We need to on all the options. So I was on in all the options, you can see that. So after that you will definitely receive your messages. Thank you.